Welcome to a updated video. This chart reading is on CARVANA. I've got it labeled as an A, B, C right now for the cycle, and the internals also as an ABC pattern. So you see here I have the Elliott waves cycles all the way from the biggest to the smallest cycle. At this moment, the smallest cycle that I have labeled visually is the minor here in yellow, okay, and the biggest is your cycle in red, A, B, and a C. So we are at the moment, CARVANA this is a monthly time frame, so each candlestick is its value is 1 month. So right now CARVANA is at 229.08. That's the closing on Friday. Let's just make sure here. Closing 229.08. Yep. So let me back out here real quick. Okay, so basically we have topped right here on the month prior. This green candlestick, its high was 259.39. So that was the end of a C leg. Now I don't know if it's the minor leg C or the the intermediate, which is in blue, or the primary, which is in purple. The purple would be bigger. My cycle got all messed up here. Let's see if I can straighten that out. There it goes. So yeah, the primary in purple and blue, those two cycles. So I don't know which one we're in. Okay, so but right now it doesn't matter. We just know that it did finish a C leg. Now we're looking for the correction. Okay. The other thing is that you need to focus on is the trading range. You see these dotted red lines. I have a yellow line for a median range and a support. So resistance, support, median, and that's the range. Now, the last time we had a C leg correction over this A leg, this leg here, it was only a 38.2% correction. So we might be looking at that again as a 38.2 correction, which is here. Let me slide this over a bit. Okay, and that's measured with these fibs here, and that's measured on only this leg. The same for what I did back here. So that 38.2% correction would also put us at it almost right on the support here on the trading range, which is a 180 target. Now again, this being the monthly time frame, maybe this hits sometime in December, as far as the duration, the time that it would take to hit here. So to get a better understanding of the move, we need to go down to the 30-minute time. Well, we'll start at the 4, and I already did some diagrams here. This is the 4. This is your high. Well, actually it's right here, but the wave prior to the last month ended here, which was the high was 257.95. So you got an A, B, C. Okay, and these are when it gets to the lower values. What I was saying earlier with, let me go back and show you. As long as it didn't get messed up, and it did. There we go. So we're working on minuet and minute and minuet values right now on the 4-hour time frame. Let me go back. So I think that this leg here is done. So I got my fibs out, and we got a direct hit here on the 123.6. So my now we could always go lower. We could obviously the 161.8 is a significant target, 200 and the 261, so it could definitely come down before it corrects. But right now I've got it this leg on a minute scale done for an A, B, and a C. So I'm thinking the balance is going to be like a 61.8%, maybe 50. So the 61.8 is 246.81. I think 245 is a good even number. I would probably start looking to get out there, because I don't really think going long on this one. It's probably not advisable. So if you want, we can short here, and then you can have some stop losses. We can talk about that later. But maybe in another video. I'm just trying to get the direction right now, and we'll go from there. So like I said, this is going to be an A, B, C, and our eventually our target is going to be the 180. Okay, so on this minute scale, it only puts us at the 125, which is that median range. Okay, so up here at the top is your support. So here's the full range. All right, so this would just put us halfway, A, B, C. So maybe this is the minute scale, and then or minuet, and then the B could be up here again. So we might get to retest this twice before we come down to 180. So it might look more like this, and then down to 180. And this might actually be further on up here sometime later in the week before it turns down. So let me try to get this a little bit more exact here real quick. So this one would be over here. That moved on me. Okay, more like that. And so that's about it. Nothing really to add from here. Okay, so we just need to keep and again, this is the 4-hour chart. So this is closing on Friday. So Monday I'd expect an increase in price, Tuesday maybe a drop, Wednesday and Thursday we would start to see some increase in price, and then maybe Friday or Monday the week after we start to try to go to the 180 area. So yeah, that's it. Let me put it back on the monthly, and I think that's it. So here we go, A, B, C. I just don't know if this C is going to be up here when it's all said and done. So we could still see on a smaller degree that this primary wave could go to this, and maybe shoot up later. But for right now, we need to watch this move as it goes down. One other thing is that's telling me that we're coming down is this. All right, these are the indicators that I use to help just with some conviction on the turns. So this is the daily time frame. So this is the RSI, and you can see there that we're showing overbought. So the momentum there is coming down. This gap between the signal line and the moving average and your signal strength here is overbought. You don't really want to see that kind of gap. So that tells me it's going to start turning. The only thing that's turning up is the ADX, but with both of these turning down and this one going up, this just means the momentum is strong. So if it's going up or down, this tells you the strength of the turn. So right now we're saying that it's going to be a downturn with some momentum. Okay. So yeah, that's what I wanted to add. Okay. All right. Well, hope that helps. Thanks for watching.